Hi, I'm Nathan Winsett from Ammp Global. I'm the Senior Product Manager for Pack Integration Products. I'm here at CES 2018 to talk to you about the RPK4 HD1101. This is our solution for 2003 to 2007 Honda Accords. This solution works in any variation of the Honda Accord, including vehicles with or without navigation. We include this adapter plate for vehicles with nav because your radio is a little bit bigger. We work in vehicles with single zone AC as well as vehicles with dual zone AC. What we do is we give you two different inserts for the buttons. So depending on your application, you install the appropriate buttons. Everything is very factory matched down to the symbols on the buttons. We've styled everything to match your original factory radio. Our fit and finish is also factory matched. It's not on display here, but we also include a replacement pocket for the lower pocket in your vehicle. It comes with our kit. We retain steering wheel controls. We do everything, so you lose nothing when you use our product. So please look into the RPK4 HD1101. Again, I'm Nathan Winsett from CES 2018.